Okay, so to continue on with what we did last night, we're going to continue on with setting up a web page and talk a little bit about some of the other things you can do. So the next step for us after setting up a basic web page is setting up a multi-page website. And it's actually very easy. It's actually pretty much the same, except you're creating a folder rather than a file. So we create this folder that has basically the file we had last night with link added, 2 links added, one for a GIF or a PGN rather, and one for another page. So you're going to have something that looks like this. You have your directory. I called it something different. It doesn't really matter. And then you have these 3 files. So now it's pretty much what you did. Let's bring this up. And we're going to import a folder this time. And it's mine. I called it multi-web. And there you go. And it has a CID, and let's see what we got. So we got a CID here, and all you need, it's pretty much this what we did. We could share the link and copy that and put it in here. Let me just, so we don't get confused here. All right, we're gonna share this link, and let's create a new page. Make sure you can see it. And yep, you're seeing it. So you see I've got this little GIF here. I think it's nice in the one. And well, I might have done. And every time you reach it, so you can see now we have multiple pages. Very simple, but there's more you can do. Let's go back to the correct page. All right, let me make sure that's what you're seeing. All right, good. So, one thing you can do is if you have a domain, you can essentially go to your registrar's control panel, and there's something called Cname, and you create a Cname record, and you can do this, and then you follow these instructions, and that'll link to a domain. There's also something called Ethereum naming service. So this is, remember I've been saying, well, we need something like DNS. Well, this is what they have so far. You need MetaMask, Ethereum, and you can buy an Ethereum domain and create that, do it that way. Let's see, and there's also Fleek, which is a service that I guess so it's sort of a host for IPSF websites, static site generated. So they're trying to develop the same kind of stuff that we have for the standard web, which makes sense. So Yugo and ViewPress, and this is interesting. So they have, so you can actually, while WordPress is not a standard site generator, it's possible to turn a static website and migrate over to a static hosting service. So you can manage your content through WordPress, which is kind of interesting. WordPress, of course, if you've worked with it, you know it's probably one of the most versatile ways to create web-based content. There are tons and tons and tons of plugins to do pretty much anything you want. That covers a lot of, I guess you can do an MFT, you can do a bunch of, let's see, so there's some, what is this? Not sure exactly what this is, but additional things. I guess I need to look at that some more. But you could see, it's a very versatile way of creating and running all kinds of content in a distributed fashion. So hopefully this has been helpful to you. And if you have a simple website, you can just start putting it up on IPFS, and who knows. Anyway, if you like this, again, please give a like, please subscribe, please ring the bell to get additional notifications for future videos, and please share with your friends who might be interested. Anyway, I will speak to you next time. Take care.